So today, as you can see on this side, we've got some nice damage. So we're going to replace that today. I'll be a little tutorial on how to switch your panels over if you've got a LS-Z. We've got to take all these panels off. You've also got to take off, from what I can tell, this middle panel and the whole right side. So it's going to be fun. Take your seat off. You got under your seat, you got 2 screws down here. Those 2 will need to come out. In the Lexmoto toolkit, you should have all the tools to do this, but I kind of lost the toolkit. I got some of the tools still, but I don't know where the main toolkit went. Alright, preferably just keep the screws in, otherwise you'll most likely end up losing them. And now you've got 2 there. I would also advise when you do take these ones off to put them in that seat bit, just so you know them screws are somewhere near here, because there are a shitload of screws that you have to actually take off to do this process. Ooh. You got a screw there. This panel does need to come off, and I would say this is the first panel to take off, so preferably start unscrewing that. It is a small screw, don't lose it. Put it there, and then that. It has a little popper, so just twist. Just when you do the twist, just obviously be careful. The fact that you could break shit. That needs to come off, that needs to come off, because you need this one off in order to get the main 2 off. Alright, there is also a popper behind there. There's a popper. I don't know if you guys will be able to see that. Right there is a popper, so just be careful when you take that one out. I would highly recommend having a bucket or like a tub for all the screws, because Lexmoto loves their screws, that's for sure. Alright, that's that one out. Now you got this one, that's got to come off. You do have some underneath, but we'll get to that, obviously. I'll go a bit in depth on this side, obviously, and then if I do have to take off the right side, it will be time-lapse, because it will be the same process as this. You got another popper inside that. Now, unfortunately, there's limited space. We now do have to take off that screw, just to have the guard. Now, if you've not messed around with your bike before, there will be another screw in there as well. The garage that it went to get the radiator checked, they never put that screw back, so I am actually losing a screw. So when one's that, obviously that becomes quite loose. I have a feeling that's got a popper as well. You've now got, in this one, you've got 2 from the bottom there, 1 on the top. That one I didn't bother screwing properly, so we'll just... This one is a ball ache to get off. There is also a screw up there. So it wants to come out. Done that. Now, that one, we're just going to pop that one out a minute so we can actually see what we're doing. And then that starts to pop out. take that one off. Alright, that's got to come off as well. So we'll repeat on the next side. As you guys could see and can still see, Devon decided it's going to be bipolar and start pissing it down. That should reach. Oh dear. Don't make these fucking screws easy. Right, that's off. Which means again there's a pop up. Oof. Let's take that one off. There's obviously a box connected to this panel. With the panel over here, it is just a popper. Take that off. This screw as well is gonna have to come off. Do the same on the right side, and that should pop off. Alright, I have actually kind of broken that a bit, but with this out, I can then do the actual main bits that I need to do. I've seen underneath here, you genuinely have to do this as well. Underneath there, you've got this wire, which is, at the moment, stopping this from coming up. There is actually fucking screws up there as well. Good news is this is lifting up. Next thing is we've got to disconnect this, otherwise it won't go up. Do be careful disconnecting that. You can see we got another slight issue, and that's down here. Now, what you want to do put the kill switch on, just in case. The keys aren't in the bike, but better safe than sorry. Disconnect that. Piss easy to disconnect. Should be. That's now disconnected, which then means this. Yeah. Now we've actually got what we wanted off. Alright. You only actually have two there, and then you do have a little screw. We've got to copy it exactly. So, alright, I didn't know that. There's these clips. You're gonna have to transfer old clips to the new one. Put it back together. That's size screwed in. If you guys are doing a panel change, it is a good time to check your coolant, because you can actually see the coolant as it's that little white box there. Good time to check that. Check your back brake fluid as well, because again, it's a good time to check it. Preferably needed the handlebars off to do this. That wire that we disconnected before, you now want to reconnect. It's like holding place. That's one of the screws I forgot last time. What's up there? Putting it back on's simple as soon as that tank's lined up. Looks nice though. Give it a wash later. I say later, it'll be another day because it's too cold. Good news, no screws left on this side. Right, here's the current update. We've got 3 screws spare, plus the 2 in there. We've got 5 screws spare. That's not good news, however, as long as... Alright, it's stable enough. I literally took extra care as well with like making sure I looked under every like panel to make sure all the screws were being used. But I ain't taking the fucker apart just to find out where some screws go. So hopefully it will be alright. It's not an excessive amount of screws. I mean, I'll have to start it up in a minute because I unplugged the radiator and some electricals. Make sure everything still works. Some fresh, just like it's never been damaged before. Okay. I'm just going to double check that. Just got to make sure the bike still works after stripping it. Yeah, I'd say that's good. So that is how to change the panels on a Lexmoto LS-Z. Absolute fucking ball ache. If you enjoyed, like and subscribe.